The United Kingdom could make it difficult for crypto companies to advertise to clients within its border if a new proposed bill is passed into law. On Thursday, November 3rd, lawmakers on the Committee for the Financial Services and Markets Bill approved an amendment to Markets Bill to regulate crypto ads and promotions, and the proposed bill is super restrictive. Even an advertisement that says click here to exchange your assets or click here to start your trading is not allowed without approval from someone who is authorized. Now, crypto services are not recognized as regulated activities in the country, which means it would be almost impossible for these companies to approve their own ads. That means crypto companies would have to jump through more hoops and face more cost when trying to advertise to local customers, because they would have to rely on an authorized entity to approve their ads. The only exception is if firms have, for example, authorization for trading derivatives and just happen to also serve crypto, these companies can approve their own advertisements.